All right, so I see you guys got underquilts as well. What can you tell us about those guys?
Well, there's two different styles that we make. We make it a synthetic version using a ClimaShield Apex. It's I rate them to +5 Celsius, which is good for pretty much the summer, late spring, early fall in Manitoba. But our big sellers are Chinook down underquilts. We use a Hutterite sourced down 850 fill power. I get it through a supplier in Toronto who has cleaned it, inspected it, and everything. And so it's a Canadian sourced, friendly sourced down. And the Chinooks I make to order, a few different versions, a 0 degree Celsius and a -10. And then I make maybe an extreme version for a -30 for those who like to winter camp in Manitoba with a hammock.
Being in Manitoba, kind of need it.
Yeah. So yeah, it's a baffle design underquilt. These
and those baffles just kind of help keep all the down and insulation in place.
Right. It's basically a tube. You don't have to worry about the down compressing, which of course would ruin the insulation value of the down. And it stops the down from settling into different spots or settling down on the bottom. So you have a nice, consistently even insulated backside.
Awesome.
So
cool.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing about the underquilts you got here.
You're welcome. Thank you.